This campus of experimental architecture in Belgium is home to the world's first single-piece, concrete 3D printed house. Europe's largest concrete 3D printer was used to build the two-storey, 90-square-metre dwelling. The same printer is now used by students to develop new sustainable building solutions.
Voor het project Kien onderzoeken wij eigenlijk de
With this technology, we were able to print a whole house. Now we want to move on and use this 3D printer in efficient ways to create new proposals. In our project, for instance, we want to understand how we can print surfaces with stronger architectural structures that can withstand more weight.
Hoe het nog verder kan en wat de mogelijke toepassingen ervan nog zijn.
Developers claim that the printed house required 60% less material than a normally constructed building of its size. The project's budget was €1.6 million. 40% was funded by the European Union. After months of preparation, the house was built in just 3 weeks. The temperature and humidity inside this low-energy building are controlled by an innovative clay-based technology installed in the ceiling.
Clay is like a circular product. You can always reuse it, and then in that clay it's pre-pressed, so it's a dry system. We can place tubes in it, and in that tubes we deliver warm water or cool water.
Regional authorities say the high-tech initiative could help modernise the European construction industry and make it more sustainable.
En wij willen dat realiseren in heel onze provincie.
We have assessed that the construction sector still works in a very traditional way. It is still using a lot of materials, producing too much waste. We want to change this approach, but if we want to help convince the construction sector to invest in automation and in the digital world, we need to show them examples of good practice. That's why it helped to print this house here.
Dat het heel belangrijk is om goede voorbeelden te tonen.
Developers say the house could encourage other circular economy initiatives in the EU's building sector that employs around 5 million people.